BEC, or business email compromise, is when an attacker hacks into a corporate email account and impersonates the real owner to defraud the company, its customers, the partners, the employees, into sending money or sensitive data to the attacker's account. So eventually, if you're working with a partner and their email has been compromised, you might expect that someone will impersonate their CEO or someone from the account payables, finance, etc. You will receive an email from someone pretending to be legit, asking you to provide information, change the bank account, etc. This type of attacks is called BEC, or it can as well be called CEO fraud. So the CEO fraud is the same concept as BEC, in where the attacker will impersonate the identity of seniors in businesses. So here is an example of a CEO fraud. As we said, this is a type of scam where attackers impersonate or compromise an executive email account. They will try to manipulate the target receiving the email into initiating a wire transfer or to give away sensitive information. So this person is pretending to be Frank Wright, the CEO of a company. This is an example of a CEO fraud email in where a person is impersonating the identity of the CEO, Frank Wright, and asking Chris that he wants some confidential information from him. Obviously, the trick here is the similar or lookalike domain. Always be careful that always check the domain name of the sender of the email. Mandate fraud is a type of BEC, or business email compromise attack, in where the attacker will ask you to change the bank account and to pay the invoice to a different bank account. I recommend that you always follow the internal control procedures for changing accounts, and if you are suspicious, always call the vendor on the mobile number that you have in your records. Do not call them on the mobile number found in the email that you've just received. Statistically speaking, mandate fraud is one of the most common reported frauds in the UK, and the risk is growing more and more throughout many regions in the world.